Today is Monday, May 15th. This is the 1978 Cadillac DeVille AC programmable controller for my friend Keith in Ohio. This unit has been completely disassembled and fully restored, and I'm going to be doing a functional validation test. This is video number 2 out of a 2-video set. The predecessor video showed the complete breakdown of the components on the bench. And we'll be looking at the mechanism as it's actuated, so I'm going to go ahead and apply vacuum. And I've taken it up to 5 pounds, and we're holding vacuum, and we have good vacuum integrity. And we'll be looking at the manifold and the electrical redirect of the continuity to the appropriate contacts. And I'll go ahead and release atmosphere, and we'll look at the manifold rotate and the potentiometer. Okay. And this is the 1978 Cadillac DeVille AC programmable controller. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage Cadillac parts from 1959 through 1978. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, these AC programmable controllers, as well as the predecessor power servo units and other critical, hard to source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Monday, May 15th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.